For others, recording it.
Yeah. So, um, Himam, can you enable screen
Yeah, I've
sharing?
done that.
Yeah. So the site name is sparkadobe.com. You just have to log in here, and there are multiple kinds of posts that you can make. What I always choose, because I don't find these options here, what I always choose is that I make a website.
Achha.
There is the option. Wait, just a second, I'm adjusting my screen. Yeah. So, yeah. So you go here, you choose the option of website. Here are web page. Mhm.
तो ये आपने वेबसाइट पे कैसे आए हो स्नेहा? अच्छा, देयर वाज अ लिंक. एक बार वापस फिर से दिखाओगे एक बार?
And choose web page.
वेब पेज. अच्छा, ठीक
Okay.
है.
Yeah. So this is the page that you will see. You can select any theme from here. Let's say I pick this one, and this can be your just a second. Yeah. So you add a title over here. Let's say like yeah. So for example, my this thing is unpacking the central idea, and yeah. So this is the title page. Now, if you have to insert anything, you'll have to click on these plus signs. So for example, if you want to add a photo at the back of this particular title page, cover page, you can select some photos from here. Let's say the new, and I pick this particular photo. Yeah, it will be added over here. And when you go down, now if you want to add certain things at this bottom of it, so for example, I add a text over here and I use it as a headline. So I pick it up like step one. You enter all the details over here. Uh, Text.
It's recording, Monica ma'am.
It's recording.
Yeah. So text में ही you enter all the points. Let's say open seesaw. Then ये हर बार एक नया line में आएगा, but the spacing thing will be looked after when it is published. Um, choose activities,
Okay.
right? Then let's say if you want to add photos, you get all of these options. If you want to add a clickable link, you can add over here. Let's say the text is here and you enter the link over here. So I enter the uh, this link. So I'll just simply enter my link over here and it is done, right? Now here is another feature which is quite useful. It is the glide show.
ठीक है.
So for example, glide show is nothing but like if you have a lot of text and you want to use an image to complement that particular text, let's say I use this image, okay? Yeah. Yeah. So this is done. And 1 second. Wait, I'm not getting my option. I can't see the entire screen over here. Just give me a minute.
Upload. Glide show is like
Glide show is like हाँ कि वो image वहीं पर रहेगा and then you add the text. तो जैसे मैंने वहाँ पे save का option click किया था
हाँ जी.
and this is how it will look like. So for example, ये image पूरा ऐसे back में रहेगा and then you can scroll through the text. Earlier how it was happening was कि पीछे back में कुछ भी नहीं था. There was blank spaces. Now if you want to use an image and then apply text over here, then you can simply do it over here like this. Let's say go to activities. Okay. And so this is how you edit the entire thing. If I want to end the glide show over here, I will choose this option and maybe like enter another text. Okay. This is how you make. After making all of this, you go to share, you go to publish and share link.
ठीक है.
And so you have to choose the option of creating link here. ठीक है. Link जैसे create होगा, you have to share that link, and every time you update anything, you will have to update the link using the same option.
Okay.
So yeah, you copy this particular link and that's how it is done. So you can like keep multiple things. Yeah. So
you keep everything here only.
yeah. So जैसे कि जो autobiography वाला किया था, this is how it looked like.
अच्छा.
What I do is like if I have to do any group work and it's independent group work,
हाँ
they
जी.
don't need my help. I just simply create these links and share it with them. So जैसे पूरा house steps होता है यहाँ पे.
हाँ.
So let's say like I have to select the topic. Then there are questions for them to discuss. As in when they move forward, they just scroll down. Like this is a step 2. Now you have to. These are all the instructions over here. All the resources which were shared, and like this is their entire group work. Now you make a claim based on your research. It
And
can be done and followed by checklist.
Where do they submit? Put their work
So
here.
for example, अभी ये वाला work तो जैसे कि मैंने इनको notebook में कराया था.
अच्छा.
I'll stop sharing. So
yeah, this kind of structure is given. There, this kind of questions like for a group work, or you created these questions.
I created all of these. So for example, yeah, the Amul one. Now it has all the links inside it. The links to हम add कर सकते हैं ना. So what I do is after each option, let's say look over here. जैसे ये सारा information दिया.
हाँ जी.
Now this was their step 1. Oops, मैंने इसमें से delete कर दिया था because I wanted to do it. So what I did previously was कि जैसे उन्होंने इतना पढ़ा, अब इसके बाद before going to the next one, I add a Google form over here. And then going to the next option, like इतना पढ़ने के बाद, I add a Google form again here. So just that like step by step, I take the reflections also.
तो स्नेहा, जो मैंने आपको कल फर्स्ट वो दिखाया था कि कम्युनिटी वाला एक थोड़ा राइट अप है, फिर वीडियोस है, मैं ऐसे बना के I'll share it with you.
Yeah.
You can give it to children. मैं try
आराम से हो जाएगा.
as an assignment. I'll make what I've learned from you. ठीक है.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks interesting and everything.
Any questions?
I just sorry I missed out. जैसे बच्चों ने रिस्पॉन्ड किया है तो वो रिस्पॉन्सेज हम देख सकते हैं. जस्ट आस्किंग वो गूगल फॉर्म था तो गूगल
फॉर्म. तो गूगल फॉर्म हुआ ना. इट्स द जनरल थिंग हाउ यू
रिस्पॉन्सेज कहीं जैसे इसमें रिस्पॉन्सेज स्टोर नहीं होते ना बच्चों के. जस्ट आस्किंग.
नहीं 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 नहीं. It's all through Google Form. It's just a page where you can put all of these things. You can enter drive links also here.
वेब पेज बना दिया ना आपने पूरा, तो चलिए सब
हाँ.
हमेशा रहता है।
Yeah. Yeah. I tried to edit the video also over here, but वो हो नहीं पाया था.
आपने कुछ
This was the
वीडियो
This was the group work which I did in this particular class, Sri Ranthambore, before the holidays when we were unpacking the central idea. जैसे जिन लोगों ने video option pick किया था, उनके पास ये वाला आया था. There were 3 options ना. One was a story, 2 storybooks and 1 video.
ठीक है,
So this was their central, like their group work. Like there were some instructions. I shared like what will you do in this particular setup. Like in these 20 minutes, you will watch a video and discuss the video with the help of guiding questions. So step 1, you watch the video over here. So here is the YouTube link. Okay. And step 2, discuss the following questions with each other. And that's all. When you are done, leave the breakout room.
lovely, okay, interesting.
Yeah.
So we'll all try. I think तभी हमारे पास questions आएंगे.
हाँ, कुछ ट्राई बना के देखते हैं ना मैं करना, तो फिर आ जाएगा समझ में. Thank you for taking us through.
You're welcome.